In this video, I'll be showing you how anyone can master Clickbank and start making money doing affiliate marketing with this. In this exact video, I'll be showing you the tips, tricks and strategies behind finding the right products that converts. Now this is very key because if you end up promoting wrong product, it doesn't matter how good your marketing is, you are going to fail for sure. So that's what I'm going to focusing on this video, finding the right product and how to promote it so you get a sale, you get a commission as soon as humanly possible. So the first question is, why Clickbank? Clickbank is the best platform for affiliate marketing out there. It's in business for years, and the best part is it's free to sign up. Now it is unavailable for some countries like I think it's Bangladesh or Nigeria, but most part of the countries is free to join. So the first thing you need to do is, like I said, create a free account. Come to clickbank.com and then click on this create account tab. You just need to put your country, first name, last name and email address, password, and that's it. Maybe you need to verify it and then you're all set to go. It's free. So I am already logged into my dashboard and I have come to this marketplace tab. So click on that and you land on this page. So this is where you are going to choose from thousands of products. I'll show you. Choose from thousands of great products to promote. This is where you need to select the product, which I'm going to show you how to get it right one. Thousands of products, get your affiliate link and promote. So come a little bit down and you will see all the categories on the left side. Arts and entertainment as seen on TV. Now here is the thing. It doesn't matter how many niches are there. I want you to focus on these three ones. The first one is health and fitness. Everyone wants to look fit, wants to lose weight, wants to look good, mostly the woman. The second thing is relationships. Every husband or wife wants to have a better relationship with their home partner. And the third thing is home business, earn money online. Everyone wants financial freedom, and why not? It's the thing. So even if the tsunami comes or earthquake occurs or something strange happens, this three is evergreen. This doesn't change. As I showed you, everyone wants to be fit, everyone wants to have good relationships, everyone wants to make more money so that they are financially free. So this particular example, I'm going to take, let me see, health and fitness for this example. So, oops, sorry, it's in green products, health and fitness. So in that three, I have chosen one. And in that one, how to find the right products, let me show you. So the first thing I will need to do is sort results by, sorted by gravity. What it will do is it will list down the order of the products the most selling in this month. So for this example, Leptitox is the one that is selling hot. Now I never ever, I'm saying you, don't go for this commission rates. Oh my god, it's $60 and let me promote this. No, you need to think a little bit. The product owner maybe have put in $61 because the product is not selling, and he puts the commission rate so high that he wants to attract affiliate marketers like you and me to promote the products. So you must think a little bit. So the first thing I need to do is sort it by gravity, and the second thing is I will check the stats, whether the product is selling hot or not. So the stats will tell you how good the product is, and Clickbank provides it for free. As you can see, there is a separate tab for stats. So the stats, I will check the gravity. The gravity is huge. That means a lot of affiliate marketers are promoting the product. Now there is among a discussion, kind of a debate between whether you need to promote the products which is selling hot or need to promote something that is not everyone is promoting. Now my opinion, in my experience, is go for what's selling hot. Now I don't care if all the affiliate marketers on Clickbank promoting this one, and it means that this is working, this product is working, and right now the target audience, health and fitness audience, love these products and they are familiar with it. And now guess what? It can be many scenarios, right? Affiliate marketer promoted that and they are going to buy the decision, but their dog peed on the carpet, or the Wi-Fi got shut down, anything happened and they just leave, and I marketed to that exact person the same offer and they buy through me. Anything can happen, right? Now you cannot project your own values on your prospects. Don't do that. So in my opinion, in my experience, I will go for what's hot. Even though many are promoting, now we live in a huge abundant world, right? There is a blue ocean of that. So I don't believe in the fact that you go for something which are not all are promoting. Rather, I go what everyone is promoting. So the first thing is, like I said, gravity, and I check the stats. The stats are good for me. This has a huge commission rate, and it has a great gravity. It's selling hot right now. It's one-time billing, and it's recovering. So, okay. Now the third thing which I need to do is go and check the landing page. Let me show you. Because some of these products have a terrible landing page, I'm saying you. So let me show okay, the landing page is a VSL and it looks good to me. Alright, it's good. It's very simple, it's direct to the point, and it's good. So the next thing I'll check to do is the refund rates, because many of these product owners have 30 days money guarantee, 60 days, or some have even 90 days money back guarantee. What that means is, even if the person purchased to your affiliate link, they can still claim a refund, and it affects your commission rate. So make sure you check that as well. And after you have checked all these criteria, the outcome is the perfect product. Now this Celebrity Talks is a good product from my studies. So what I will do is click on this red button, and a pop-up will come up, and I will just click on the generate hop links. Now your unique affiliate link will be generated. Now don't please copy this one and promote, because I get paid. So just click on this one, and now this link is copied. But Clickbank has this annoying thing of this affiliate link is looks very ugly. As you can see, EF7C76 blah blah blah. If someone is not gonna click on this link, this looks very ugly. It looks spammy. Maybe the virus is in there. Is the hacker, everything. So what I will do is I'll come to a website called Bitly. Now Bitly is totally free. What it does is shortens your long URLs into short ones. Now as you can see, I've already used Bitly. It's very simple. Just paste the code here and shorten. Now I have not signed in. When you sign in, what you can do is track how many people have clicked on the link for free. And also you can customize this part. 36AFIUB1, you can customize it based on your target market. Let's say a free fitness, something like that. You can customize it so that the possibility of clicking on the link increases. So now you have the affiliate link. Now you know that how to sort a right product. Now here comes how to promote and make money. For that I have made there is two outcomes. One is free and one is paid. Now always there is a discussion between the free and the paid, and I have both solutions for you. I have already made a video on how you can promote Clickbank products for free using highly targeted traffic. I'll leave a video in the card. And for paid ones, now which one is great? As I said, the paid one, you cannot track and scale your business because you have no idea. You might be posted on a blog, Facebook, or YouTube, anywhere, and you have no idea which you can focus on. It's just random. But in the paid one, let's say Facebook ads, why not? Facebook ads is the #1 ad platform in the whole world. Now with Facebook, let's say you ran 3 campaigns, 1, 2, and 3, and you ran it for 2 days. And at the end of 2 days, you saw the first one is not doing good, second one is also not doing good, but the third one is killing it. So what I will do, delete and dismiss 1 and 2 and make sure to put more money in 3. That's how I scale up my business and scale up the income to affiliate marketing. So if you are dead serious about how Clickbank, I have something for you. So the first link below is a free masterclass of a #1 Clickbank affiliate in the whole world, where he shows doing everything, how he started, how anyone can make $1,000 per day or $30,000 or even more per month completely for free. But the thing is, the spots are very limited. Why not? Everyone is interested in starting their career and make money to affiliate marketing, and by the #1 Clickbank affiliate, everyone wants to do it. So the seats are very limited. I guess it's 100. So make sure after watching this video, go and sign up and register yourself for the free masterclass. And I wish you the success doing affiliate marketing. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just keep going.